Welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to see how to install Eclipse in macOS. Currently my version is Ventura, so we will see how to install. Okay. Previously we discussed how to install Java in macOS. So before installing Eclipse, I recommend you to first install Java. You can go and refer the link given in the description. Okay. Now we can go to Safari. In that you type Eclipse, or else we can go to google.co.in. There we can type Eclipse for Mac OS. So in that you will be getting the second link like Eclipse ID for Java developer. Click on that. So it will appear a page like this. So we need 2022-12. Okay, I prefer taking this one because it is more stable and I used in Windows machine also. Okay, so after clicking Eclipse 2022-12, you will be getting a page like this. In this I am going to prefer taking Eclipse ID for Java developer. We will be having all the required add-ons in this. Okay, so if you want you can take this one also, but this one is a lightweight, around 300 MB we will be having. This one is around 500 MB and it will be having more add-ons in it. I prefer taking Eclipse ID for Java developer as it is a lightweight. Okay, you can also use this one also. So in order to download for Mac OS, you can download 86 if you are having Intel. You can download this one if you are having M1 and M2 chip. Okay, currently I am having M1, so I am clicking on this one. Okay, after clicking you will be getting a page like this. You can click allow. So in the right side you can see in the downloads it is getting downloaded and it is around 317 MB. Okay, it will be downloaded in .dmg format. Let it finish the download. Before downloading we will also see, you can go to terminal by typing terminal in the spotlight. Okay, you can open spotlight by clicking on command spacebar. After that type terminal. Click on the first option given. So now here you can type Java version. If you type Java version, you should be getting the install version here. Okay, currently in my machine the install version is 11, so it is showing like 11.0.19. when you are having some other version it should be displaying that version also. Okay, so if you not install, I recommend you to install before installing Eclipse. Okay, now the download is completed. We can go to downloads folder. In download folder you can see the DMG file for Eclipse Java. Okay, double click on Eclipse Java and you can drag and drop the Eclipse icon into applications. Then you will be getting some window like applications. You can drop the Eclipse now. Okay. So it will be asking for administrator password. So let me give the administrator password now. Okay, I have given the administrator password, and after giving administrator password you can see the Eclipse in applications. Okay, so you can double click directly from Eclipse in the applications, or you can even go to Spotlight by clicking on command space. You can type Eclipse. You will be getting an option with the icon Eclipse. So here you will be getting a message like Eclipse is an app downloaded from internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click on open. Okay. So now it will ask for workspace. If you want, you can change the workspace to some other location. Currently I am going to take the default location Eclipse is giving. Okay. So click on launch now. After clicking launch you will be taken to the welcome page. Okay, so you can close it. Now the Eclipse is installed. Okay, so we have opened. If you get some error related to Java, you first install Java, then follow the steps given for Eclipse, then it will be working. Okay, now we will run a simple program in Java to ensure that Java is working properly in Eclipse. Click on create Java project and give some name like Java Mac Java project. Here you choose like I have installed 11 in my machine. I prefer taking this one. Okay. Now click on finish. So the project is created in the left side. You can see the project having src. In that you can right click and create, right click and click on new and create a package. Type first package. In that again you right click on the package created and click on new and click on class. In that you type Sai simple program. Okay, and click on public. Here you need to select the public static void main, or else you can even type also. Okay, I prefer selecting this one and click on finish. Now the main is added. I will delete the sixth line by clicking on command D. Now you type system dot out dot println. This will print whatever you type within the quotes. Okay, I will type welcome to learn with Shirdi Sai channel and give a semicolon. Okay, so now I click on command S to save it. Right click here, run as Java application. So here in the bottom you can see welcome to learn with Shirdi Sai channel. Okay, I will run again. Run as Java application. Here you can see it is printed. So We have successfully installed the Eclipse and created a new Java project. After that, we created a package. In that, we created a Java class. In that, we tried printing the text, welcome to learn with Shirdi Sai channel. Okay, we have successfully executed the Java program also. Okay, that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching. We will meet in another new video with new content. Thank you.